According to maximum power transfer theorem, a power in a load can be transferred maximum when load resistance becomes equal to Thevenin equivalent resistance of rest of the network across terminal A and B. Therefore, to find out Thevenin equivalent resistance of this network, first of all we have to draw the Thevenin equivalent of this network and across terminal A and B, which is given by considering a network, same network, where load A and B, load across terminal A and B is removed and Thevenin equivalent resistance or Thevenin equivalent VTH and RTH is calculated. To calculate VTH nothing but the open circuit voltage across these two terminals, that is equals to VAB. Now to find out Thevenin equivalent resistance, first of all remove all the sources and replace them with their internal resistance. If it is a voltage source, then replace it with a short circuit. If it is a current source, then replace it is with the open circuit across terminal A and B. The resistance, equivalent resistance by network reduction technique, we can find out, that is RAB. Since we are having voltage source here, that is why it is short circuited. Now the equivalent network of this given network, equivalent to Thevenin network, is given by RTH plus minus VTH across terminal A and B. Now load is again connected back to terminal A and B, that is RL. To find out power in load, we can calculate I is equal to VTH upon RTH plus RL. Here RL must equal to RTH for maximum power transfer. Therefore we can say VTH upon RTH plus RTH, which is equals to VTH upon 2 RTH. Therefore power transfer to the load PL is equal to I square L RL, and I is this, that is VTH upon 2 RTH whole square into में RL, which is given by VTH square upon, since RTH is equal to RL, therefore it will be 4 RTH, that is P max.